Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a quick and easy hairstyle before I put my weave in. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm parting my hair in medium-sized chunks. If you do smaller size chunks, your hair will definitely dry much faster. Okay, so today the products that I'm using is the Mayo pomegranate and honey curling smoothie. I absolutely love this hair smoothie. It smells really good, and I've been watching Megan Thee Stallion promote this for a good few months, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get my hands on it. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but I do like this product. You already know we got some Eco Styler gel. Okay, so with these products, I am using a pea-sized amount on it, and I'm also respraying it with water because your hair needs to be wet when you do this hairstyle, but don't put too much product in it because it's going to take too long to dry. Okay, so with my hair, I am laying it flat onto the rod, and you guys, I am making sure I'm keeping it smooth, and you really want your ends very wet so it can stick to the rod, if that makes sense. Right here, you guys, I am twirling that rod the opposite way of how it was curled, and I am tying it up, sealing my rod, and that is that, you guys. Literally so easy. Hey guys, so right here I took my hair gel and I sealed the ends as much as I could because you do not want frizzy ends when you do this hairstyle, so make sure those ends are coated, okay? So you already know what time it is. I am taking some Oil Sheen by African Pride. You can take any kind of oil that you want, and we are going to go ahead and take those rods out. This oil prevents frizz. You already know what's popping, and yeah. All right, you guys, now to avoid heat, I recommend you guys to let these hair rollers sit in your head overnight, or you could do how I did and wait 24 hours or more. Hey you guys, so this is one of my favorite parts of this hairstyle. Make sure you oil up your hands, and we are going to begin to separate those curls. Separate to your liking. If you want this hairstyle to last long, don't separate it that much. If you want to, you want a quick and easy hairstyle and you want as much volume as possible, make sure you split, hunty. As you split these curls, you want to make sure you are twirling your finger around, making it a better curl. And I don't know if that made sense, but yeah. So this is my favorite part overall. I am taking this pick and I am picking from the root up, and I'm also picking the ends of my hair, and just watch it, just watch the volume grow. I love this part so much, y'all. I love volume, period. as you do this hairstyle, make sure you are not putting any harsh like parts in it, because you're gonna make your hair frizzy. That's why y'all see this part jacked up, but I promise you it's gonna look good in the end. Just don't be trying to do too much, okay? Because then you're gonna mess up your curls. Right here, I am, giving my hair one last good pick. And that is the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching this quick and easy hairstyle. If you liked it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all want a part 2, because I can definitely do this another way. But thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.